My name is Chris Hatch from Sage. I'm Technical Director.
Hi, my name's Sarah and I'm one of the directors at Saje UPVC.
With Dufeu as an IT, I don't want to use them, but it's always reassuring knowing that they're there. I know that they have fantastic experience at dealing with issues that are business threatening.
We've been using Dufeu for about 4 years now. And it's completely changed the business. It is an absolute pleasure to deal with them.
They've always performed very well under pressure, have helped and gone above and beyond for to get us back up and running when we've had issues. So very, very pleased with them as co-managed IT support.
We love using Dufeu as a co-managed partner. They just make our lives a hell of a lot easier. If we have any issues, they just resolve them. You just pick up a phone and call them and they'll sort it out for you.
In my previous role, the company was also supported by Dufeu, and as a result of that relationship, I brought Dufeu onto Sage because Dufeu really do understand our requirements from a software point of view, software support point of view, and hardware point of view that many other MSPs would not necessarily understand. They're just interested in hardware, Microsoft 365 and just general software platforms. Dufeu understand the complexities of the fenestration industry and have assisted us no end during the years of my relationships with them.
So one of the highlights I would say is definitely the fact that you pick up a phone and there's physically someone that you speak to and they will just resolve your issue as soon as they possibly can.
All of them brilliant guys, happy to have a bit of a laugh and a bit of banter with you, but also get the job done, more importantly, get the job done on time with minimum of fuss, which is fantastic.
I would recommend Dufeu to anybody, and I do. Anyone that's ever having IT issues, I tell them to contact Dufeu. They're an absolute pleasure to deal with.